Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use gesture control to record hands-free on your DJI Osmo Action 6. To do it, simply slide down from the top of your screen, click on this button right here, which is gesture control, and enable it. Now you can set it to take photo or start recording only. So putting your palm in front of the camera will only take the photo or start recording, or you can set it so it can both start and stop recording. Now, within the 2-meter range, you should place your palm in front of the camera. And now I did it, and it's on, and it is recording. If I do it again, it will stop recording because that's what I have set. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.